Miaka 5 thutha wa kiriro gia teng'eri na Kenya ni ungumania wa mbeca hindi ya mathako ma Olympics bururi-ini wa Brazil mwaka-ini wa 2016, maabitha aria makuruhanitio na ngukumio ino ni mang'ethanĩirwo ni watho. Mbere ya mucirithania Elizabeth Juma igoti inene guku Nairobi, uria wari Minista wa mathako Hassan Wario ni anyitikanire na mahitia na agathikwo kioho kia miaka 6, kana arihe faini ya muigana wa ciringi mirioni 3.6.
And underscore that, Your Honor, that the main aim of sentencing is to protect the society from harmful acts from the said offences that were proved beyond reasonable doubt.
Mahitia ma Wario kuringana na uthuthuria ni uhuthiri muuru wa wabici hari gwitikiria andu atatu matari gikundi-ini kiria kianyitaga itemi mbitikaini ici guthi bururi wa Brazil na gutumira mbeca cia muingi mugaru na watho.
The acts and the omissions of that were committed by the first and the fourth accused, Your Honor, were by state officers who owed a responsibility to the public by ensuring that the public funds are being managed by them are utilized prudently.
O cira-ini uyu uria watongorete timu ya athaki a Kenya Stephen Soi nake ni agathikirwo kioho kia miaka 12 kana arihe faini ya ciringi mirioni 5.5 thutha wa kunyitikana na mahitia matano maria nikoga kurumirira mawatho ma uhuthiri wa mbeca cia muingi, gukanja tigiti cia ndege iria ciacungiririe kura gwa ciringi mirioni 9.7 thabari-ini iria yakinyitio na andu 184 aria marihirwo muigana wa ciringi mirioni 150.
The first and the fourth accused were entrusted with leadership to deliver Team Kenya to Rio and to bring good performance. They managed to bring good performance, but in the process, the government of Kenya lost a huge amount of money, and this brought bad image, especially when the story was aired.
Tiga mbeca mitangiko igi yatunganire na ateng'eri aya ni wagi wa uniform, makocha eri kuhamurithio kuma Brazil ni utumiri wa dawa ngananie, ateng'eri amwe kwaga guteng'era ni kwaga maratathi maria magirire na angi kwaga tikiti cia ndege, undu uria wakumithirio ni a Kenya na njira nene makiendekithie Minista Wario eyehe.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Olympic medalists in front of 60,000.
Riu area ya mari na thiko 14 kuregana na itua riri igoti-ini ria gucokia cira riko kana mahorio curu miaka iria mundu atuirirwo mangikorwo ni mekurimwo kuriha faini iria matuirirwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.